Managing multiple interactive displays across a school or organization can be challenging. With BenQ Device Management System or DMS, administrators can remotely control and automate multiple boards from a single dashboard. Let us see how DMS automation works. First, log into the BenQ Device Management System dashboard using your administrator credentials. Here you can see all the connected BenQ boards across your campus or organization. The dashboard displays important details such as device name, online or offline status, MAC address, and other system information. With DMS automation, administrator can schedule tasks to run automatically on multiple boards. For instance, you can create schedules like turn on board or off automatically, install firmware updates, deploy applications, push settings to multiple devices, or create policies as required. To create an automation task, simply select the devices, choose the required action. Once configured, the system will automatically perform the task provided system should be online. This helps IT administrator save time, maintain system consistency, and manage all BenQ boards efficiently without visiting each classroom. With BenQ Device Management System automation, schools and organizations can easily manage, update, and control multiple boards remotely, ensuring smooth and efficient operation.